I've got friends and YouTube guys that are fixing Silverado dash clusters that had mice pee on them, and people that don't fix things competently. And that's what you've got. What I've got is socket to me. My light fixture's not working. So I could have bought a brand new one, or I could have taken the old one apart and found out that a rivet melted. And I've got burned wire and no contact for my light fixture. So a new light fixture for the fan is 35 bucks, or a junk one that I found in the garbage is free. So I hopped up on my ladder with my made in China tools, and the ladder was shaky. So I took out my trusty vice grips, and all you have to do, if these things aren't rusted, is tighten them. If they're rusty, you heat them up real fast and spray it with cold water. I could be using a 1/2 inch open-end wrench or an adjustable wrench, but it's outside and it's cold. So you just tighten them up. You may have to heat it up because there's a bit of rust on this square nut. And then your ladder becomes rock steady. Look at that. What a difference. This thing was rocking and rolling before. Now I could fix the light in my ceiling fan. And I'll be able to better see all the dust. It's dusty.